Hello, and welcome back to MKsEnglish.com's Intermediate ESL Listening Series. I'm Mark, your host and teacher at MKsEnglish.com, and I'm here to help you improve your English with real, natural conversations. Today's episode is all about weather. Why are we talking about the weather? Well, it's something we all experience every day. And it's also one of the most common small talk topics in English speaking countries. Let's dive in. First, let's go over some useful vocabulary for everyday weather. I'll say some words, explain them, and give you natural examples. Listen and repeat if you can. Sunny. When the sun is shining and there are no clouds. It's so sunny today. Don't forget your sunglasses. Cloudy. When the sky is covered with clouds. It looks cloudy. I think it might rain later. Rainy. This is when it's raining. Ugh. Another rainy day. I forgot my umbrella. Windy. When there's a lot of wind. It's really windy today. Hold on to your hat. Snowy. When it's snowing. It's snowy outside. The schools are closed. Hot. Cold. Warm. Cool. We use these words when we're talking about temperature. It's really hot today. It's cool this morning, but it'll warm up later. These are the basics, but we use them all the time in daily life. Next, let's level up and look at some common expressions. These will help your English sound more natural. It's pouring. It's pouring. It's raining very heavily. Don't go outside. It's pouring out there. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. I feel very cold. Can we turn up the heat? I'm freezing. It's boiling. It's boiling. It's very hot. Whew, it's boiling today. Let's go get some ice cream. Did you know that in English-speaking countries, people often talk about the weather just to start a conversation? We call it small talk. Here's an example. Beautiful day, isn't it? Yeah, finally some sunshine. Even if the regular conversation isn't about the weather, people often start this way just to be friendly. It's a simple, safe topic. And doesn't it sound friendly just to say, nice day today, huh? Now, listen to this short monologue and try to understand as much as you can. Today is really strange. This morning, it was sunny and warm. But now in the afternoon, it's cloudy and windy. Oh, and it just started raining. I didn't bring an umbrella, so I know I will get soaked. The weather is so unpredictable these days. How much did you understand? It's okay. You can go back and try listening again. Now it's your turn. You don't have to give perfect answers. Just try speaking naturally. Question number 1. What's the weather like today where you are? Number 2. What's your favorite kind of weather and why? Number 3. Do you prefer hot weather or cold weather? Me? I definitely prefer cold weather. Tokyo summers are so hot. Number 4. How do you prepare for rainy days? Okay, so today we talked about useful weather words, expressions, and small talk. Weather might seem like a simple topic, but honestly, it's a big part of everyday English conversations. If you liked today's episode, leave a review or share it with a friend. You can also find extra practice and transcripts at MKsEnglish.com. Thanks for listening. And whether the weather is sunny or stormy where you are, I hope you have a great day. Until next time, keep listening, keep learning, and keep dry. See ya!